had so many people ask me, how does the self-installment loan work? How does the self-credit card work? And today I'm giving you guys the gems. I'm giving you the knowledge on the actual self-credit card. In my previous video, we discussed the self-installment loan. Now in today's video, I'm going to give you guys my review on the self-credit card. So if you haven't watched my video about the self-installment and how it works and my honest review on it, make sure you check out this video above before you watch this video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Welcome back to the channel. I am Tiara Pace. If today is your first time here, welcome. If today is not your first time here, thank you for being a part of our financial gang. In this video today, we're going to discuss exactly how self-credit card work, and we're going to discuss other options that you can use and how it's going to help you build your credit file. Before we get any further in this video, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It's free. You know I'm giving you all the knowledge, all the tea, and you know that you're going to be financially ready after this video. Let's get back into it. So the first thing you need to know is exactly how you can apply for the self-credit card. Now, before you can apply for the self-credit card, you first have to have a few things before establishing your account. You have to make sure that you have 3 monthly payments that have been paid on time. You have to have $100 or more in your savings progress on the installment account loan, and your account has to be in good standing. Once your account has become in good standing, you have $100 or more reporting onto your self account, which is going to be the installment loan that you've already previously applied for and started paying on. Then you're going to create the credit limit for yourself. You have to choose how much you want them to take from your savings account and apply it to your self-credit card. In order for you to apply for the self-credit card, you have to have at least $100 or more into your self account. So keep that in mind. Before you can get the self-credit card, you have to have established the self account that's going to apply for the installment loans before you can get the actual credit card. Now, once you're eligible for the actual credit card, you then choose exactly how much you want them to put onto your credit card. So because this is a secured credit card, this means that you're just going to use your money that you've already paid onto your self account, and they're going to take that money and they're going to then put it onto your credit card and send the card out in the mail to you. Once you have your card, you're then going to activate your card, and then you're going to use your card to make purchases each month. Because this is such a low amount, you want to make sure that you're keeping your utilization low each month. If you choose to do only $100, you want to make sure you stay in that 10% utilization or below. 10% of the $100 would be only spending $10 each month on your credit card. Once you spend that $10 each month, time for you to pay for your credit card. You're then going to pay that $10 off, and you're going to do the same thing each month. Now, because you already have a self account, it's going to be very easy for you to go ahead and take the money that you already have saved from your self installment loans, and you can then apply it to the credit card. But remember, there are different options for you to do the same thing without using self. Self is going to be good for someone who don't want to use any extra money to begin with. So you're going to be able to use the money you already have invested into your account. But for someone who has an additional $200 saved up and you're able to use this money to build your credit, another good option for you to do is to check out the Discover It account instead of the Self account. With the Self account, it's good if you already have an account, but I prefer you to check out the Discover It account, because with the Discover It account, it gives a little more room to grow within that company. With the Discover It account, the way it works is you're going to use $200 of your money. You're going to secure your credit card with your own money. Once you give Discover the $200, then you're able to use that credit card for the next 6 months. You want to make sure that if you get the Discover It credit card, that you use it responsibly and that you only use at least 10% each month on that credit card. You don't want to go over 10%, because the whole purpose of using the Discover It secured credit card is to build your credit history with them so that you're able to get more lines of credit. Once you've had your secured credit card with Discover It for at least 6 to 8 months, Discover will then switch your card over from a secured account to an unsecured account. When you begin to get an unsecured account, what this means is Discover will send you your $200 deposit back in a check through mail, and then they will allow your account to be unsecured, meaning they're going to give you more money and a higher credit limit onto your credit card that's unsecured. Discover increases your account spending within the next 6 to 8 months. That's going to boost your credit up a few points or more, because now you have more credit available to you. Now, the reason you want to do it this way is because the more credit you have available to you onto your credit reports, the better it looks to the credit bureaus and also to the credit lenders that you may have to apply for within the future. So again, if you're looking to check into getting a secured credit card, instead of trying the Self account, take that money back out once you have paid your loan off with them, which the smallest amount is going to be $500. Once you take that $500 and you finish with your installment loan, you can go ahead and then take $200 out of that, and within the next 6 to 8 months, build your credit history with the Discover It secured credit card, and then this will allow you to have a higher credit limit with the Discover It card, and you can also then apply for another company that's going to allow you to have more credit as well, because the whole purpose of a secured credit card is for you to boost your credit limits with each lender. So I hope this video helps you guys. I hope it explains to you exactly how the self-secured credit card works and if you should get it or not. And for someone who does not have credit at all, make sure you check out the credit playlist that's going to be linked above right after this video. So again, I hope this helps you guys, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.